Today I will share how to create 3D pop-out football poster design like this in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen a square canvas of 1000 by 1000 pixels, and first I will change the background color as black, and after that I will click on L to activate a line, and after that I will increase the stroke weight. Let's make it to 84, and after that stretch it. Okay, and after that just bring it here, and after that click here and use the curved part. Okay, and after that just bring it right here, and after that I will just duplicate it and rotate it to 120 degrees. Okay, and after that just bring it here, and after that duplicate it and rotate it again to minus 120 degrees. Now bring it here and use the arrow keys to adjust the dimensions here. And what you can do is that click on the stroke style and click on rounded 8 points so that it becomes easier to adjust. Okay, like this. And now select all of them by pressing Ctrl+A in the keyboard and just move it above and make it smaller like this. Okay, and after that I will just use this one, duplicate it, place it above and just make it bigger. Okay, and I will increase the stroke weight to the maximum of 100, and I will just cover it here and rotate it again, bring it right here and just bring it right here, cover this part also and select this one and click on R to activate a rectangle and change the color to white again. Okay, and just select in here and cover the parts, just rotate it slightly and after that duplicate it, rotate it again and cover it and follow the same for this part also. And now as you can see a shape is created here. Now I will click on this elements part and click on recently used section, click on see all, and I will use this player image which is American football, and this is a pro content or a pro image. If you want a free image you can easily use that. Just click on this element and just write here American football, and in the photo section click on see all, and if you want to use the free images click on free and you can find all the free images here as you can see. And after that, so let me use the image which I selected, click on see all and I will use this one and I will adjust the image, just decrease the transparency and check how it works. Okay, I will keep it like this, and after that just select all of them, place on Ctrl+A and just use the mouse or the arrow keys to move it slightly down here, slightly down, okay, like this. And after that select this image, press Ctrl plus X to cut the image, place add page and add it here. And after that increase the transparency. In the third slide, for the third part, in this third page image, I will click on here in elements, write gold background, okay, and go to photos, click on see all, and I will use this glitter font or the glitter style. Let's make it bigger and cover the whole of the canvas. And after that click on edit, go to adjust and increase the brightness, and after that increase the saturation so that it becomes more highlighted, okay, and you can also increase the highlights a bit. So this part is done. Now download all the three images, click on share, click on download, make sure all the file types are in PNG and just click on download. Now click on add page and just re-upload all the designs which you just downloaded. So all the layers are downloaded here, as you can see. So I will now go to apps and here write blend and click on blend image app. And for the bottom layer I will select this one, click on use selected image and make sure the blend mode is in screen. Now for the top layer I will use this one, click on use selected image again and it is selected here. And after that click on add page and click on add to design, okay, and after that just in the top layer click on clear selection and this time for the top layer I will select this golden layer, click on use selected image, okay. So this one is also created, click on add to design, okay. Now for this one click on BG remover to remove the background and follow the same for this one also. Now change the background to any color and check whether both the backgrounds are removed or not. So both the backgrounds are removed, as you can see. Now I will just make the size bigger and after that I will make this one also bigger and I will increase the size of this more than the previous layer, okay, and I will just decrease the transparency to check. So this one looks good, okay, and after that increase the transparency and right click it, go to layer, send to back, okay, and after that use this image, just press Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it, and after that just make its size bigger, click on BG remover again. So this image of the player is here and now I will crop this part, okay, like this till the hands of this part also, okay. So this part is done. Now after that I will duplicate it again, place it in the same position and after that crop it till here because this time I want this part of this hand, so no other part is required, okay. So you can crop it till here, okay, and also crop till here, and some part of this pants are coming here, so I will click on double times BG remover and after that click on this erase portion and I will erase this part, and click on done. So as you can see, the pen part is removed, and after that, for final adjustments, I will just scroll all the way up to text and click on add a heading, and here I will write football, and for this I will choose the font as this right here, sports, and I will choose a hollow font. So let's go with Princeton. Okay, and let's bring it right here. Now I will change the color of this text. Select this blue color, dark blue shade, and put it in here. After that, I will use the effects and curve text, and I will adjust it according to the shape part here. So let's adjust it here. Let's make it bigger. Okay, this one looks good, so I will use it here. Okay, and right click it, go to layer, send to back. So it looks like this, and in this portion I will write the player name. So click on add a heading again, and for this I will write the name as David Thompson. So let's write it here. So this is an imaginary name which I am using, and using the same color here. And after that, for the font I will use the sports world here and use the effects again. And first I will rotate it till here. So this is rotated to 120 degrees, so I will maintain it -60. Then go to effects now, click on curve and just work on this part. So let's make it to size 48 and check. So I have to make it more smaller. Okay, now let's work on it. So I hope this will be better. Okay, so I think some more adjustment is needed. So this one looks good. Let's rotate it slightly, and this is perfect. Now I will select this stadium which says American Football Stadium, and I will use it here, crop it till here, and I will place it right here and extend it. And after that, here I will write American football, and I will use this one. Let's use the BG remover to remove the background and make it smaller, and place it right here, make it more smaller and place it right here. And use the shadows. Go to graphics, click on see all and use the shadows part. And duplicate it to make it more darker. Okay, and now right click it, go to layers and select all the shadow layers. Move it just below the football layer. Okay, so the shadow part is also created, and this is how you create the football pop-out poster design in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.